how to transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit step by step. If you want to transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit, first of all we need our crypto address from ByBit, and we will copy it and send it to that particular address from Binance. Open up the ByBit application over here as you would be able to find. Then go to the Assets tab from the bottom right of the screen there. Then from there simply go to the deposit option and select deposit crypto. Now depending upon which crypto you want to deposit, so let's say you want to deposit Bitcoin, then simply go ahead and select Bitcoin, which is BTC, and just select your network. And this right here will basically be your Bitcoin wallet address. Now the address will only show up as long as your account is verified, so copy that address or the QR code. Then you can head over to the Binance app and send the crypto to that particular address. And this way you'll be able to transfer your crypto from Binance to ByBit. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.